Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Canva easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Type in www.canva.com in the address bar and press enter. If you already have an account, click on the login button. Enter your email and password, then click login to access your account. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button. You can choose to sign up using your email, Google account, or Facebook. Fill in the required information if signing up via email. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the Canva homepage. To start a new project, click on the Create a Design button located at the top right corner. You can choose from various templates or create a custom design. For a specific type of design, use the search bar to find templates related to your needs. Once you've selected a design, it will open in the editor. On the left side, you'll see options for elements, text, photos, and more. Click on any element to add it to your design. You can customize text by clicking on it and typing your content. Adjust font size, style, and color using the toolbar above. To add images, click on the Photos tab and search for images. Drag and drop your chosen images into your design. To reposition any element, simply click and drag it to your desired location. You can also resize elements by clicking and dragging the corners. Once you're satisfied with your design, click the Share button in the top right corner. You'll have options to share via email, social media, or to generate a link. To download your design, click on the Download button instead. Choose your preferred file type from the drop-down menu. Finally, click the Download button to save your design to your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.